pandemic yun eh. So talaga, meron na kami nun. Meron na kaming, nakausap ko na yung, may venue na kami kinakausap, meron na kaming kausap na production, na stage designer, everything. Kaso biglang nag-pandemic. Kung natuloy yun, this was supposed to be Fire and Ice's first show. But it didn't happen because of the pandemic. So, na-move siya ng na-move hanggang sa ang daming nangyari sa mga buhay ng isa't isa. And then, I don't know how the conversation parang started again. But,
ikaw, sa'yo nang galing?
Ako rin ba?
Oo, tas mo lang kami.
Ikaw naman
siyempre.
Siya may pangalan.
Yes, thank you, Ice.
Salamat, Ice.
Kasi after nung series niya ng video kay sabi, ano gagawin ko na next? Balikan natin.
Pero sobrang nalis ko silang kasama talaga.
Yeah, at some point naman, during those 10 years, may mga nagkakasama-sama sa amin.
Yeah.
Shows, lalo na nung benefit, Congrats. It's a princess.
Kasi anniversary ganyan.
Sorry.
Benefit kasi, kumanta kayo for free.
Ay, tama, sorry. Basta yung mga ganong klase ba, na may mga tugtog kami, tapos bibisitin. Kasi hindi naman siguro secret no, na bukod sa magkakatrabaho kayo, we're very, very good friends. So, whenever we have something, teatro, nung nagteatro si Ice, andyan tong mga to, nanood. So, hindi talaga maiwasan na pagka, magkita-kita tuloy, kailan tayo mag-show ulit? Because we're so used to playing with each other, singing with each other. As you can see kanina, wala namang talaga pinagplanuhan dun sa mga but everyone was singing along while someone was singing in front. So, ayun, ikaw naman?
Hindi mo naman sinagot yung tanong eh.
Ganun din ba yung magiging setup of the concert? Kasi we love how everybody just knows everybody, tapos biglang sisingit na lang. Pero, syempre mag-Valentine's romantic. Pero para ba ito sa mga couples o sa magbabarkada tulad ninyo? That's my last question. For Valentine.
For everyone.
It's for... kasi kahit Valentine's Day naman, may universal love tayong tinatawag eh, di ba? There's romantic love. Of course, we have that covered already. But there are other kinds of love that we want to celebrate then during this show. And kaya nga, ang sarap din na magkakasama kaming pito kasi we're celebrating our friendship as well. That has, withstood the test of time.
What?
Hindi, tagal na rin naman talaga. So, ang sarap lang na, alam mo, we're singing about love, we're singing about friendship, we're singing about all these amazing things. And there's nothing, alam mo yun, nothing feels better than singing it with your friends. Na nasa tono. Grabe yung pagtulak mo, Joris.
Sorry,
Mahulog ako.
Gusto ko lang sanang i-add to your question. Yes, it's going to be like that. Kasi, yun nga, we're so used to like playing off each other's mga, yung sasagot-sagot, gano'n. So it's gonna be like that. But it's, of course, it's gonna be more organized, more prepared. Kasi talagang, we're really trying to make a really good show. So yung alam na namin gawin, which is to complement each other, i-harness na lang namin ng preparation. And we have so many nice surprises for you guys. Yung mga, kakarating lang ng mga study, ng mga arrangement, it's so nice. So,
Magkukuban si Gian.
Yan. Gusto yung dad bod?
Philip, ako add ko lang din, parang, kasi nag-gets ko yung parang, yung tanungan ni ma'am na, ano pa siya, like Valentine's, ganito. Parang treat siya for everyone eh. Basta, ang dito is, kumbaga, love is the answer dito sa show na to eh. Yung music, yung camaraderie namin, di ba? Pero, we'll make sure na lahat ng kakantahin namin dito, sa concert na to, i-interpret namin or i-deliver namin ng kung ano talaga yung kahulugan sa bawat pag-ibig na nandun sa mga kanta na yan. So, ayun lang.
Good answer.
Thank you.
But for me, it's a treat for everyone. But it's actually also a treat for me because I will be able to perform with these guys again.
No!
Oh my God.
Well put. Well said, Julius.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Rumi. That we're singing, that we will be singing. Kagaya na sinabi ni Liza, ito, maraming aabangan dito because of course, the nostalgia part. Hello? Yes. Oo. Oo. Yeah, phone-in question. Yeah. So, kagaya na sinabi ni Liza yung mga abangan nyo dito. Of course, the nostalgia of it all, di ba? How we all started. Pero, ang gusto ko rin ditong part, syempre makikita nyo rin yung journey namin. Sa 10 years na hindi kami magkakasama, ang dami nangyari sa mga careers namin. And ang pinaka-excited akong part dito is we have this segment called the unreleased songs. So this is the first time that you will be hearing these songs sa inyong lahat. I've never performed this song that I'll be singing. Marami sa amin dito hindi pa na-perform. So excited din kami para marinig ninyo kung sino kami ngayon 10 years after nung huli kami magkakasama. Yeah.
So,
Lahat may unreleased songs.
Meron kami medley of unreleased songs. Yes.
So, ang question ko is, how were the songs picked? Tapos, magkakaroon ba kayo ng mga covers ng mga other artists, like foreign and local? Kasi iba yung segment na yan, di ba? Yung mga unreleased. So, the rest of the songs.
Of course, we will also have our originals, the hits, definitely. Pero kasi if may mga I'm sure nanood kayo before ng mga ASAP na sessionistas, no? Syempre hindi pwedeng mawala yun eh. Yun yung kumbaga na kilala kami. Na of course, we do covers of these different songs, whether it be local or international. But, kumbaga, kung paano yung genre namin, gano'n namin siya gagawin. And isa rin sa mga favorite namin dito, kami ni Liza, is the Dear Sessionistas part. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung naalala ninyo, but during the Sessionistas during our time, parang may mga nagpapadasal ng mga sulat, nag-ask ng mga love advice, remember that? So we'll do this again. And actually, baka makatulong din kayo, naghahanap kami ng 5 letter senders na i-feature namin yung kanilang story and they'll be given tickets din to watch the show. Habang haharanahin sila ni Kian. Ni Kian lang. Kian lang.
Kian lang.
Yeah, ako din, ako din sobrang excited ako dun sa segment na Dear Sessionistas because it also shows how this show is inclusive. Parang hindi, usually kasi pag nag-show ang isang artist, baka ako lang, kakatayin ko yung mga gusto kong kantahin, and then syempre may portion na ano kaya yung request nila. But this one, it's not just the songs that we are asking the audience and the showgoers to give, but it's also we're asking them to share their love stories also. So, I'm excited sa part na yun, Dear Sessionistas.
How excited are you?
In a scale of 1 to 10.
So, bawat isa sa inyo nagbigay ng list ng songs nyo tapos pumili na lang doon?
Actually, yeah, to complete the lineup, lahat kami hiningan ng songs that we wanted to sing, and then binalansa lang ng Fire and Ice. And then, yun nga, yung Dear Sessionistas naman na part, the songs will be inspired from the stories that the showgoers will give. Kaya,
so, kasama na din yung personal choices. Iyan. Kasama na din yung personal choices sa mga songs niyo.
Well, yun yan. Nung yung proseso kasi parang tinanong kami nila Ice, nila kung ano yung nakikita namin pwede maging repertoire buong show, no? Pero I guess kung sino yung pinaka-mabilis sumagot sa GC, yun ang yun ang may say. At kailangan i-accept ng mga hindi man na ganun bilis sumagot yun. Kung sino man dyan. Pero ako yun. Pero ano talaga siya eh, parang yun nga, parang kinonsider din namin yung lahat ng aspeto ng parang dahil nga iba-iba kami ng genre, iba-iba kami ng offering, di ba? Parang binalansa rin namin siya sa kung paano magiging cohesive yung show na saktong-sakto siya dun sa concept, di ba? Na yung tugma-tugma lang. pero may siguro malaking factor din yung matagal na kami magkakasama.
Things end. Yung sa amin naman, it's if ang question is, did it end nicely? Of course it did. We're all very good friends. We were all still hoping to still do it. Ganun lang, just yung mga house shows, kailangan matapos na. But I can definitely say na ang Sessionistas kasi, aside from being that show, the Sessionistas is us eh. So hanggang nandito kami, hindi natatapos yung Sessionistas eh. You'll catch us in concerts like these. Probably hindi kami kompleto, but you'll catch us together in shows.
Yeah.
One thing's for sure, ito yung Sessionistas na makikita nyo habang buhay na yan, hanggang mamatay na kami something. Pero, yeah. But to your question, sir, yun nga, it just ended. It just ended out of natural.
How long did it run? I mean, the Sessionistas as a team.
7 years?
Oh, parang 3 years.
Ano to?
3 years.
Ano to, no?
2009.
6 years to.
So it ended
6 years.
on ASAP in
2015.
Yeah.
6 years, 7 years.
Mga ganun po.
Aside from ASAP that formed you, which or what organization or what group do you credit in forming the group as Sessionists? Was it an ASAP creation or was it a creation out of friendship elsewhere?
Talagang ang ASAP ang nagbuo sa amin. I remember getting a call nga from Tito Winnie, from the management din na parang, parang plano namin kayong buuin lahat. Kasi parang during that time na binuo si Sessionistas noong 2009, kami yung magkakalaban sa bars eh. Kami yung magkakatapatan, di ba? Kumbaga, pag may show si ganito dito, katapat mo yan. Si Nyoy, si City, si Juris, si Prince, di ba? Ganyan. So, si Duncan. So, parang ang idea nun ni Asa, pagsamasamahin kaming lahat. So, we credit them for actually like thinking about putting the group together. But I'd like to credit all of us, for actually maintaining the friendship. Kasi parang nung nabuo yung grupo, syempre, TV, magpapakita kayo, magkikita kayo dyan every Sunday, but that's it. Pero siguro kaya nabuo to ng ganito na after so many years, solid pa rin siya. Kasi we made it a point na it's not just about work, but it's about friendship as well. Na, every Sunday we look forward to it kasi after ASAP we'll have lunch together, lalabas kami talaga, tapos magkikwentuhan kami. It became sort of a routine, a weekly routine sa amin. Na the singing is just one part, but the chikahan after is parang that brought us together. And even though may times na hindi na kami magkakasama, natigil na yung paglabas namin doon sa TV, we'd still go out, like we'd still have lunch together, definitely malapit sa bahay ni Juris, kasi napakatamad niyang lumabas ng bahay. So, yeah.
Totoo po yan eh.
Totoo po yun. Grabe. Ermitanyo po yan. Grabe siya.
While doing ASAP for 6-7 years, I don't remember having seen or heard that you had a show together in a bar or a club. Did you ever do those things? No?
Yeah, we would do those
as Sessionistas.
as Sessionistas, but usually benefit show.
Oo, pero never sa bars. It's more, bars minsan. Pero mas big shows like Araneta. We did Araneta. Yeah, we even toured sa
It was produced by ASAP before, yung time na nasa show pa kami. Pero as yung kami-kami lang, loosely we organize.
Oo, pag kanyari, kailangan ng tara guys. Puro ganunan, kami-kami.
Yung maraming mga benefit shows, yung mga may binagyo, ganyan. So, si City may rin mag-organize ng ganun. So, thankfully kami nagkaroon ng chance to be together. Kaya akala ninyo, yung birthday ko, benefit din. Kasi pinagsama-sama ko lang sila lahat. So, bar din yun.
Kayo yung original? Kayo ba? O merong wala dito?
Ang original po, si City, si Duncan, si Julia, si Ice, si Nina, si Richard. Yun. Body Chart po yun. Tapos, dumagdag ako noong 2010. Tapos, sila po yung huling dumagdag ako.
So kayo na yung sa show ito ngayon?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry po, but just to make things clear, kasi it's so easy for us kasi to do shows before. Kaya lang, yung brand na Sessionistas, medyo naging malaking brand siya. So hindi namin siya pwedeng basta-basta na lang gamitin sa mga ano. So, in answer to your question, palagi po kami nag-show together. Pero we can't always brand ourselves as Sessionistas. Kasi minsan di kami kompleto, minsan may mga kasama kami na hindi naman kasama dun sa group. But it was such a regular occurrence playing with each other.
Pero first time na ganitong naka-concept talaga po na yung buong kalibre nung
first time din namin, ang dami namin ginagawa para sa TikTok.
yung tanong nga rin, sir,
Kasi gano'ng generasyon na tayo.
yung ano parang yung sa ASAP na parte, parang kung meron at meron din talaga i-credit kung paano kami nagkasama-sama. Sila talaga. And we're really grateful na nangyari yun at
Shout out to Miss Joy.
Yes, and ayun, parang kumbaga, ang smooth lang kasi nung, kaya rin siguro nakikita nyo na ganito na kami ka loose and casual sa natin. Dahil parang yung Sessionistas, and ako napaka-special din sa akin dahil wala siyang bahid ng kahit na anong drama. Alam mo yun, parang talagang maayos lang lahat, tas ano lang na maayos. So, yun nag-excite din sa akin personally dahil siguradong masaya lang talaga siya na reunion namin.
Sa ASAP din,
So, when I floated the idea, I already messaged the management of Nina and Richard, but they're both not available. I think Nina has a concert the day before us. So, yun. So, hindi pa nagkatugma.
Thank you.